welcome back to my channel.
Guys, hello young learners, welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, we will learn about linear and non-linear text. So I will give you brief discussion later on what are linear and non-linear text. And as well as I will give you or I will show to you some photos as examples of linear and non-linear text. But these photos are from google.com. Thank you so much, Google. So again, text can either be linear or non-linear text. Now we will define first what is a linear text. A linear text is the most common type of reading. Linear text refers to traditional text that needs to be read from beginning to end. Generally, text printed on paper are considered as linear text. We have here examples like novels, poems, short stories, letters, educational texts, and all those texts we read from the beginning to the end, including Facebook posts or including some text that we read from beginning to end that is considered as linear text. Okay, next is non-linear text. Non-linear text is the opposite of linear text. As its name suggests, it is non-linear and non-sequential. In other words, the readers do not have to go through the text in a sequential manner in order to make sense of the text. Actually, there are many examples of non-linear text. But for this video, I will give you only 5 basic examples of non-linear text. So the first example that I want to show to you is a concept diagram. What is a concept diagram? A concept diagram is a diagram that shows suggested relationships between concepts. Typically represents ideas and information as boxes and circles and uses lines to show the relationship between them. When you draw a concept map, you are actually creating a visual image of that subject. Okay, the second example of non-linear text is we have here line graph. What is a line graph? It is a common type of chart which displays the information as a series of data points connected by line segments to show trends. The third one is a bar graph. A bar graph may run horizontally or vertically. The important thing to know is that the longer the bar, the greater its value. Bar graphs are better for comparing larger changes or differences in data among groups. The fourth one, guys, is a pie graph. A pie graph is a circular chart which is divided into slices or portions to illustrate proportion. A pie chart is a graphic that shows the breakdown of items in a set as percentages by presenting them as slices of a pie. The key to a pie chart is that all of the slices must equal 100%. Okay, the last example of non-linear text we have here is the Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual depiction of similarities and differences between two or more different items. It consists of a series of shapes, usually circles, which edges overlap. Again, guys, remember the difference between linear and non-linear text. When you say linear text, this is a common type of reading. Generally, we read from beginning to And the examples are novels, poems, short stories, letters, and educational text. While nonlinear text, it is the opposite one in a form of graph, in a form of concept map, and others. So much guys for watching. I hope you learned something for today. God bless and keep safe.